John here again. This is the best way to clean the toilet. So you take it off and then you wash it down with a garden hose. Now the reason why I have it out here, which I did wash it off with a garden hose, the reason why I have it out here is because the toilet was leaking at the bottom. I knew exactly what was wrong with it. It's pretty much the wax ring on the base of the toilet seat. Shall I go over here and show you? Automatic lights. Turn on. Whoop. There it goes. And it was really sticking. There was some leakage going on here. What is there's a wax ring underneath here. And what I did was I bought one of these, which you can find at Home Depot or Lowe's. And it's better than a wax seal. Took the toilet seat completely off. I mopped around this area. And I stuffed it with some rags just because the gases that will be coming out of here. And here is the finished product. If I lift up the seat, flush the toilet, it all flushes, no leaks, everything smells great, and guess what? Guess what this is? I added a potty trainer seat.